Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. As always, hope you guys had an awesome day trading today. Very good day in the markets. All three major indices, the S&P 500, Dow 30, NASDAQ, were in the green. I'll talk a little bit about that later in the video. I'd like to start off by talking about Robinhood Gold. So I recently got offered Robinhood Gold. You can see here if I sign up today, they're giving me a free month of Robinhood Gold. And essentially Robinhood Gold is more advanced version of Robinhood. It gives you a few extra things that I'll talk about here. It's a system where you do get a monthly fee based on how much margins buying power you get. So if you get an extra $2,000 loan from Robinhood to trade with, it's $10 a month. $8,000, it's $40 a month, and $12,000, it's $50 a month. So this is not a free version of Robinhood, but it gives you a few extra advantages. If I click on the Learn More, it kind of goes through what some of these advantages are. So kind of a brief introduction here to Robinhood Gold. One of the big advantages is access to extended hours trading. So 30 minutes before each trading session, as well as 2 hours after each trading session, you can actually buy securities. So you can see there pre-market essentially starting at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time and then extending out to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. You can do some trading. So if there's any, big news announcements overnight or, within 2 hours after the normal trading session closes, you can kind of take advantage of that information and buy some stock securities for the next trading session. It kind of goes through, like I said, there are earnings announcements, activity in foreign markets. So it gives you the ability to buy and sell in extended hours trading. The big reason to get Robinhood Gold is this extra buying power. So essentially you get a loan from Robinhood, whether it's $2,000 to $12,000. Essentially it's a margins account, and I won't go through all the details of that, but essentially you have to have so much in your account. I think it explains what a margin is. It explains how much money you need to have in your account from preventing a margin call. You can see there it goes through that as well. A little bit technical, I don't really want to get into that, but essentially Robinhood Gold gives you access to additional buying power depending on what tier, how much you're willing to pay for that excess buying power. And the other big thing too is instant reinvesting. So you don't have to wait a number of days before, after selling or depositing money to make funds available. Currently I have the instant, so I get $1,000 right away. And I'm not exactly sure what the stopping and waiting after selling a stock is. I've sold stocks up to $4,000 in total equity, and I was able to reinvest that right away. So I'm not exactly sure what the advantage is on this. Definitely for deposits, I can see how that could be useful. Again, it kind of goes through what that is all about in the body of this here. But the big thing is additional buying power. I'm not going to take advantage of this right now. I have quite a bit of money in my account, and buying on margin really doesn't appeal to me so much because basically, for example, the best tiered one is the $12,000 one for $50, but you're still paying 5% APR. So your trading has to beat 5%, and that's kind of hard to do, to be quite honest. Yeah, there's some folks that can get 10+% APR return on money, but that's very, very hard to do. So anything less than 5% is basically negative. So if you're making 5.1%, you're really only making 0.1% on your money, and I don't really think that's worthwhile. But that's just kind of my take on it anyway. If we go to my account here, like I said, it was a very good day in the market. All three major indices were in the green. S&P 500 was up 0.22%, Dow 30 up 0.35%, NASDAQ up 0.33%. My portfolio was down a little bit during normal hours trading there, up a little bit after hours trading. I didn't really do a lot with my portfolio. I've been kind of averaging down on some of my positions. Pharmaceuticals really got hit bad today, but I think this is good opportunity to buy, to be quite honest. I'm going to be going in and really buying some of these stocks there. You can see average cost $61, $59. So all of these have kind of been trending down over the last week or so. 5% down, 2% down, 1.46%, 4%, 1.41%, 3.39%. So I think I'm going to put a little bit more money into my pharmaceuticals, kind of trying to buy on the dip. And then when that rises up a bit, sell on the raise there. So I put a little bit of video out about that the other day. I'm going to try to do that strategy moving forward here. Just have a little bit of fun, do some day and swing trades with that. But overall, a very, very good day with my portfolio. Save my pharmaceutical stocks. I'm still down a bit today and yesterday, but a lot of that has to do because of this here, right in the middle there, from AbbVie, ABBV, down to Johnson & Johnson, J&J. Those are my pharmaceutical and healthcare services companies. They're all in the red today. So I do say my portfolio did okay. If you subtract those, stocks right in the middle there in the red, I was actually up about $100 or so today. So as soon as those pharmaceuticals start recovering and I average down on those, I think it's going to be a very good return. But for right now, just kind of holding steady, dollar cost and value cost averaging with my portfolio. So yeah, just kind of wanted to talk about Robinhood Gold. Let me know if you guys are interested in that, if you guys are going to be taking advantage of Robinhood Gold and going ahead and paying for a margins account. I'm probably not going to do that at this point. I'll probably just use my own cash, but you never know. If I get bored and want to have a little bit of fun with the margins trading, I may go ahead and do that for a month or so, since it's free for the first month. But for right now, I don't think that's really appealing to me so much at the moment. So let me know what you guys think about Robinhood Gold. If you guys are on Robinhood Gold, what's your experience been so far with that upgraded account? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Just kind of give me your impression of that. So with all of that, I'm going to kind of end the video here. As always, if you like my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps the channel out a lot. I've been having a lot of fun making these videos and been learning a ton about the market and investing. And I hope by watching these videos, you guys have been learning as well. And as always, if you guys have a question, go ahead and let me know. This whole video series is about learning about investing, not only for myself, but for you guys as well. So if you guys have any burning questions, let me know. Any pointers for me, any additions to my portfolio that would mesh well with what's in my portfolio. I just put a nice video out about exactly what's in my portfolio, going through every market sector and every stock I have. So let me know what you guys think of my portfolio. Yeah, kind of with that, we'll end the video, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.